welcome to the mix. And on the mix, we have the landlord. Now, she is calling out to her merchant family members to assist her with her brother, not by monetary stuff or by gifts, but at least to be there for him, to let him know that he has a support system, since she is also his support system. So watch the video, like, subscribe, and share.
Nobody now beg on nothing. Just like a passion for making him feel like he and family. Oh no wicked so. And when he out there, we will call Lord. Wish how we are gonna come together. When we did come together, if we put him in our homes, nobody no come up with no money. And Ali Millicent call me a ball, Jesus Christ off and cross. And when it actual time come, where are you guys? It's long enough now and I don't hear a soul, and my number is very easy to be found. And I also have the same number for years. Is he a runaway? Isn't he out of all of you him look like the daddy? So he hold on a jacket that one year a Ben. He look exactly like my father. Me could have be jacket. Uno brown, some black, all uno brown one, uno can't be jacket. So now uno can reach out to him. Even call and talk to him. Lord Jesus, man. That's why I tell you that, hey. If you can reach out to the sick and needy as family member, you know, hype so. I go and ball out all of you name. Me I go no time. 1 month now, you know. July. For my birthday, 30th of August. If none of you reach out to me 30th of August, I go and call out the 16 of you name because you don't have it. I want to walk on ice and walk on eyelash. Me I give you no till August. I go and call out everybody name. Uncle, auntie and cousin too. Me I sit down and write a list of merchants. All who me know married and change. You know if you do better, man. You know must can call the guy and ask him how he do and make him feel like him as somebody too. Just in mother side of people, and me I hunger merchant where I look. So what on there? Oh? Me don't know the one them from down the country where they say merchant city there. We are call out all who in a Portland. You know fit do better, man. You know fit do better. Nobody. You don't need to do a better one harder. You don't have to do better. And me know enough how you screech here watch. Remember, August 30th is my birthday, and my birthday present is that if you don't look, if none of you no call, me I go back. If I even two call, me will say alright, at least then start reach out, but you can't go on some man. You can't go on some. No. It look bad. It look bad. Terrible. You need to do a bit better than what we want to do. You know, hungry and you know naked and you know shelterless. But you need some family support. I know for you walk and talk about mad people and a pit for mad people on the road and have no mad brother and look for him. Me I go ball you out because you know pretty and stush you know. So me I go ball you out. You need to do better. A phone call, remember you play internet, social media now is so wide that you have a little service. You can WhatsApp and say make me and him have a talk and video call because that's what he other brother and sister then do and cousin by mother's side who come to Jamaica come visit him, take him care where they want to go, carry him back. Not even that. Come on, man. What do you hear my ask Valerie? What do you hear my saying want to go up at daddy yard because Millicent up there, me tell you saying out there. You no need to reach out. None of we not beg you nothing. My brother no hungry and he no naked and he no under one roof and me a give him medication. We no want you, none of you to buy no medication. We no want none of you to buy no food. But he mental for so long and we are try to get him back. And he remember every God one night in sister and brother them. And none of you know. He come back so till he ask me for his grandmother. And me carry him out there and make him know say Tyna gone. When he reach here, he ma call Tyna. Me say you know say Tyna up a cemetery. But Peony there. Come man, you can't reach out and say something to the guy. Say if the guy can't come back, the guy shot. Well, when they cuss me on social media and say me nah no family lover, true. Of course, me no shame about it. Me get through in a market in a stall, but me come be somebody. But who fi tell us if I not all something at the end of the boy head? And everything pack up in him because we no live so damn bad. Why do you make him go look for a certain family member, one merchant? And after me drove there and everything, this merchant not offer the boy not even some water and money she a beg me. Where me forget it from? Me take him and have him and I support him with everything. And me say the lady never walk me in fridge and take out little water again. The lady turn around and ask me for money.